Hey guys, Amp here bringing you another Affinity photo tutorial, and in this tutorial we'll be going over how to do the tiny planet effect in Affinity Photo. First thing you want to do is have a panoramic shot. I have a picture that I found online that I think would kind of make a pretty cool tiny planet. So you want to start off by having your panorama, and you want to have a visible horizon. If you don't, you can crop to make it level with the horizon, but since it's already done, I'm not going to do anything to it. You want to have one area that will become the planet. You want to have the middle area that will be the outer part of the planet, and the top that will be sort of stretched to be the outside of the planet. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to have the move tool, and we are going to unconstrain the background. And you can see it is 1200 pixels by 3840 pixels. So what we're going to do is make the width and the height the same. So we're just going to copy, paste, and we're then going to crop. We're going to change the crop to absolute dimensions and move it to our planet. And apply. So now we have this really squashed picture. We're going to then create a copy of the background, and we are going to use the move tool again to transform it, and we're going to flip horizontal. This will create sort of a double layer effect so that when we finally have the tiny planet, we won't have a line in the middle. We'll have a smooth continuation for the whole planet. We're going to select the top layer, we're going to mask it, and we are going to use the fill tool and use a gradient like so. We're going to select this end point right here to be black and this end point right here to be white. Maybe even make it a little less. And then we are going to merge the visible layers to one pixel layer. We can then delete the background layers that we were using. Come back to the move tool and then flip vertically. If you want, you can have the inside of the planet be what usually would be the outside, which would be these buildings, but I like to have the buildings on the outside. I just think it looks cooler. We're going to come up to Filters, Distort, Rectangular to Polar, and then we have our tiny planet effect. As you can see, sort of stretches the outside of the picture inside, and I think it creates a pretty cool looking effect. Now I could touch up here sort of the fade in. This is sort of where the line would be, and I can sort of touch that up with more work with the gradient. But you can now crop your picture down to just the planet, like so. And that will be all. So if you want, you could do a mask layer and sort of just get this sort of tiny planet. But that is how you create a basic tiny planet effect in Affinity Photo. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Affinity Photo and Affinity design tutorials. Thanks for watching.